In this tutorial, you will learn the crucial process of staging and committing changes in Git. These essential steps allow you to track and save your progress, making it easier to manage your code and collaborate with others effectively. Prerequisites: before you begin, ensure that you have Git installed on your computer. If you haven't installed Git yet, please refer to our tutorial on Git installation for your specific operating system. Step 1 is to open your terminal. If you're using Mac OS or Linux, open your terminal. On Windows, you can use Git Bash or the Windows command prompt. Step 2 is to navigate to your project directory. Make sure you're in the directory of your project. You can use the cd command to navigate to your project folder. As an example of changes done in my project, I'll create a few files in my project directory. Step 3 is to add changes to the staging area. To stage changes for your next commit, use the git add command followed by the file or files you want to stage. To stage all changes, use git add dot. Step 4 is to commit the staged changes. Let's run git log first to see commit history. We see there are no commits on my main branch. Once your changes are staged, you can commit them using the git commit command. Be sure to include a meaningful commit message. The command is git commit followed by -m, followed by your commit message. Step 5 is to verify the commit. To confirm that your changes have been successfully committed, we will again use the git log command to view your commit history. We can see a commit is created with commit ID, author details, timestamp of the commit and commit message. With this you're now equipped to track and save your work, create a clear history of your project, and collaborate with confidence. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.